Hey everyone, be with the phone here. And hang on just a second. As is better. So last time I showed you this extra credit. So now I'm going to show you how it's done. So first we're going to use parentheses. But before we do that, we're going to use exchanging the numbers with the exponents. So now it's going to be 20 times 16 to the third. And that's codes. Not sure if you guys can hear me that well, but if you do, just let me know. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing. Okay. I'm just making sure. So now, 7 squared, that's 49. And divide all of that by 10 squared, that's 100. And I will be going through all of that. I'll just skip ahead to the answer. It's going to be 9,409 or over 100 or 94.09. That's right. Got yourself a decimal. If you realize that, then good for you. Or if you use your calculator, then that's fine. Now, speaking of decimals, well, speaking of decimals, now decimals are numbers that comes before the real number or the integer. Let's say 0 is the integer and then there's a decimal. 5 or 0.5. Now there's also fractions. In fractions, what you just saw is like a division. 1 over 2, that equals 2.5. Excuse me. Hang on a sec. Yeah, sorry about that. The image changed, which I don't know why it's doing that. But as you can see, fractions are similar to decimals. And I apologize for the handwriting. I'm using a non-precise but accurate stylus. You can see what people using with an iPad. But then, yeah, I had a precise tablet and smart pen, and that would be easier for me. But yeah, sorry about that. Let's get to the problems, shall we? Now let's say problem says 2 over 5 whole plus 4 over 5. So pause that for a second, and maybe you have the right answer. Alright, guys, so here's the little trick here. As you can see, 2 over 5 plus 4 over 5 is 6 over 5. Now, guess what? Some of your teachers might ask you to simplify, and that's going to be 1 over 5. Now, those are called mixed fractions. Now, mixed fractions are numbers combined with the real number to the fraction. See? Now, speaking of simplifying, let's say I ask you this question. 2 over 4 times 1 over 3. So pause that and see what your answer is. Alright, so if you're thinking of doing this, then don't do that. That's a no-no. And I'm going to change it again, which I don't. Come on. Behave yourself. So instead, you can go across. So that's 4 times 3, and that is 12. And 2 times 1 is 2. So you have 2 12s. But you need to, some teachers might ask you to simplify. And that's going to be 1 over 6. Because 12 divided by 12 is 6. So the reason why it might they'll ask you to simplify is because you never know if some questions can be quite difficult for you to keep all these large numbers. So it's best that you simplify as much as you can. Now let's get back to the decimals. So let's say I asked you guys this question. So let's do it together, shall we? Yeah, I think this is 8 times 3 is 24. Put 2 up there. 3 times 9 is 27. Plus 2 is 9. 27, 9. And another 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 7 is 8. Now don't say that the answer is 8,984 because that's wrong. You need to remember that there's a decimal. Now there's 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. So yeah. Now let's get to combining the decimals. So 42, that's 0. Let's again with the decimal places. 4 times 28, that's 7. And since 4 and 28, 28 and 4 are all together, we can move on to 6. Or divide by 6, it's just 1 because 6 and 4 have a little remainder. That's Let's get into put the 0 down there. Four and 20 is 5. And look, no remainder. Now if there ever is going to be a remainder, you add it up to decimal place. Or you can put an R and the remaining number on there. Doesn't really matter. No big deal. Unless the teacher tells you specifically what you need to do. Now let's talk about timing, shall we? Now you see clocks in school almost everywhere, even in the classroom, hallways, even your room. You can see clocks in your smartphones, tablets, computers, like there, and stuff like that, etc., etc. Oh yeah, even vehicles. And of course, you might heard the motto, time is money, and stuff like that. And by the way, if you're hearing background noise in a different room, Uh, I'm sorry about that. I might ask them to remain silent, but hopefully you guys might uh, ignore it. But if you ever hear it again in a later video, then let me know in the comments below that you might want me to let them know that you're not you're not concerned of any background noises, and also you might also hear um, airplanes from outside because I live near the airport. And in case you didn't know, I'm a student pilot and I'm learning how to fly plane. Trying to get my commercial pilot with my instrument rating so I could fly somewhere on my vacation. And now back to class. Now, there's a thing called the second hand, and that is this. Now, the second hand is the hand that goes rapidly, that goes quicker, and it is the middle hand. It's just around the clock. Now, the minute hand is a long clock, it's a long hand, and it goes in minutes. And you make the second a little longer. And then you have the hour hand. That's a short and long clock, long hand, short and slow hand. Very slow. Trust me, it will be slow. Now, why is it 12 hours? Because of the solar system and the Earth rotating, revolving around the sun every 365 days. Well, actually, specifically 365 days and quarter into leap years. So you see, sometimes um, you'll see time like this, 1430. That's similar to 2:30 p.m. Now it doesn't really matter which one, as long as the time is correct, of course, and sometimes it's best to synchronize your clocks to the right time momentarily. Now the thing about clocks is it's actually geometric, and it also has to do with measuring. How to tell you? Now, usually, some people might ask you what time it is. It's really important not to accidentally mistaken the wrong time. Now, let's move. I think you get the point. So let's move on how to measure the clock, shall we? Now let's say the time is now 2:40, and I need to finish my recording until 5:15. Now it's gonna be tough because the seconds and minutes only go on 60, not 100. This is not Mario. This is not Super Mario Brothers. Sorry, Nintendo. So let's find out. Let's try this. Since 40 is bigger than 15, we could easily try this. And 10 minus 5 is 5, 1 minus 3 is 2. And if you want to double check, add 25, 15, back to 40. So now, 2 and 5, that's going to be 3. So the answer will be 3 hours and 25 minutes remaining. Okay, guys, now let's talk about time zones. So this is in Eastern, this is Central, Pacific, and Mountain. Now, since I'm a pilot, it will be easy for me to figure out the different time zone. But if you're not, then don't worry. I'll help you out here. So let's say I'm taking a flight trip to Orlando all the way to Los Angeles. it only took me like just 3 hours. My departure is 10 a.m. So I want you guys, so I'm gonna stop right there, and I want you guys to find out what time took me to get to Los Angeles is Pacific time, not Eastern, but Pacific time. And next time I'll reveal the answer for you. So thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Shalom. God bless America.